In this video, I'm going to show you how to password protect pages and posts on your website. The first thing you want to do is go to Pages. We'll start with Pages. We see the About page here is password protected. Let's go in and turn that off because yours will be off to begin with. So make sure this icon is active. Click on Page. Under Status, we see Published. Click on the Published, and we see a bunch of options here. Yours will not have the password protection. So yours will be just vanilla, published, or draft, or any one of these stata you see here. To password protect the page, just click on this checkbox, enter a password, like 1234, for example. Try to make it more secure if you can, but for this video, this is just easiest. Then click on Save, and then if you view the page, we see this page is now password protected. If I do the same for a post, the reason I'm doing it out of order, I'm not entering the password right now, is because if I enter this password, it unlocks all password protected pages on the site I've found. So the same thing happens for posts. Go to this icon here, go to the Posts tab, under Status, choose Publish, choose Password Protected, enter a password. I'm going to try 12345 just to see if it works differently. So I did this earlier, and I entered the password for one page, and it opened all the pages. So this one is protected. We see it there. Okay, let's enter 1234 for the page. So here's our page. Super neat that you can password protect it. So you could send this link to somebody and then give them the password, and only they can log in and see it, which is pretty cool. Now if I refresh over here, the password field's still there, so that's good. 12345 for this password, and then we see the post. So I must have been doing something wrong when I was testing it, but clearly it works now. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to speed up your WordPress site. A fast site ranks better. So it's important you watch this video. I walk you through step by step how to speed up your site, and I will see you there.